If you're tired of acting like an energetic sponge for everyone else's anxiety, grief, and fear, this video is your official energy reset. We're tapping together through this Pisces partial lunar eclipse to clear collective overload, restore your energetic boundaries, and help you step back into grounded, peaceful sovereignty. In this video, I'm going to guide you through an EFT tapping session specifically designed for empaths and sensitives during this Pisces lunar eclipse. And in just 10 minutes, we're going to clear collective emotional overload from your nervous system, and we're going to quiet the inner child fears that this eclipse is bringing up, and we're going to reset your energy field back to peace and sovereign boundaries. But before we tap, I did want to just take a moment and welcome all of you. My name is Jennifer, and I'm an Ascension Guide, energy practitioner, and founder of Compassionate Soul Healing. And I specialize in helping empath sensitives and intuitive souls release subconscious blocks, heal their inner child, and regulate their energy systems. And if you love energetic clearings and inner child work and practical spiritual tools, then make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and click that notification bell so that you never miss a clearing session. But before we tap together, let's measure your intensity. Take a moment right now. You can place both hands over your heart. I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose and a slow breath out through your mouth. And I want you to check in with your own body. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being completely overwhelmed, how heavy or anxious does your energy feel right now? Then once you got your number, go ahead and drop your number in the comments below so that we can track how much it drops by the end of this tapping session. Okay, so let's start by getting into a comfortable position, and I want you to gently tap along with me. You can repeat the words out loud. Feel free to change any of them to fit your particular situation, or you can just softly repeat them in your mind. And we're going to begin by starting tapping at the side of your hand. So we're going to tap right here. I want you to follow me and say, even though I feel completely overwhelmed by all of this Pisces lunar eclipse energy, and my system feels like it's soaking up collective anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though my inner child feels unsafe and dysregulated with all of these intense emotions floating around, I choose to honor how sensitive I am, and I hold space for myself right now. Even though I've been acting like an energetic sponge and absorbing feelings that aren't even mine, I acknowledge my sensitive heart, and I choose to release that weight today. And now we're going to start tapping at your eyebrows, and you can tap with one hand or two hands. I want you to repeat after me and say, all of this heavy emotional energy, side of your eye, this Pisces lunar eclipse flood, underneath your eyes, absorbing anxiety from everyone around me, underneath your nose, feeling responsible for carrying the world, at your chin, this heaviness in my chest and shoulders, at your collarbone, my inner child feeling scared or maybe overwhelmed, underneath your arm at the side of your ribs. All these hidden subconscious patterns are coming up to the surface. And the top of your head, this overwhelming collective fatigue that I'm feeling. And go back to your eyebrows. It really is hard to tell what's mine and what's not. Side of your eye, feeling hypervigilant and boundaryless. Underneath your eyes, my nervous system is running on overdrive. Under your nose, It's so tiring trying to hold it all together. At your chin, all this old emotional weight from my past. At your collarbone, I acknowledge all of these feelings without judgment. Under your arm or the side of your ribs, and it's safe to let my nervous system rest now. And then we're going to go to the top of your head, and I'm giving myself permission to pause and breathe. Now with that, I want you to go ahead and grab your wrist, give it a squeeze, take a deep breath into your heart space, and a slow breath out. And I want you to say peace. And just take a moment to notice how your body feels before we begin again. And now we're going to start at your eyebrows one more time, releasing all energy that does not belong to me. Side of your eye, and I'm sending collective grief and anxiety back to the universe with love and compassion. Underneath your eye, it's not my job to fix or carry everyone else's emotions. Underneath your nose, and I'm speaking directly to my inner child right now. At your chin, you are safe, you are held, you are precious, and you are protected. At your collarbone, and I'm releasing the need to save the world to feel secure. Under your arm, and I'm clearing these old subconscious loops out of my energy field now. On the top of your head, and I'm dissolving all boundaryless patterns now. And once again, just take a moment, squeeze your wrist one more time, and take a deep breath in and out. Notice how it felt to start to claim some of your energy back. And we're going to do one more round together, starting at your eyebrows, stepping back into my grounded spiritual power. Side of your eyes, anchoring my roots deep into the heart of Mother Earth. Underneath your eyes, I'm surrounding my field with radiant, protective golden light. Underneath your nose, I can be deeply sensitive and completely protected at the same time. At your chin, I choose to honor my intuition as a gift and not a burden. At your collarbone, and I'm choosing peace over collective panic. The side of your arms are at your ribs, and my energy is clear and safe and sovereign. And now we're going to go to the top of your head. Say, I am grounded, I am centered, and I'm at peace now. And then once again, I want you to go ahead and grab your wrist, give it a squeeze, take a deep breath into your heart space, and a slow breath out. Say peace, and just let peace wash over you for a moment. And then I want you just to tune in and notice, how does your body feel now? Take this moment and check in with your body. And I want you to tell me, what is your intensity number now on that 1 to 10 scale? And I want you to go ahead and drop your new number now down in the comments. And I love seeing how much space and ease this tapping has created for you. And to help you fully integrate this eclipse energy and make the most of this celestial window, I've created a companion video for you. So I would encourage you to go and watch my full breakdown video on the Pisces full moon partial lunar eclipse, what I believe empaths need to know. And in that video, I shared 3 energetic critical shifts that you must make right now to stop burnout, to heal your inner child, and to protect your energy field during this eclipse. The link is right in the description box below. It should be on the screen in just a moment, and I'll also pin it to the comments at the very top. And for those of you who are feeling stuck in kind of a deep subconscious patterns, or you want personalized one-to-one guidance to clear these heavy emotional blocks, then let's connect. Go ahead and click the link in the description box below to schedule a free compassionate soul healing discovery call with me today. I want to say thank you so much for tapping with me, beautiful soul. I want you to be extra gentle with yourself, to drink plenty of water, and give yourself time to rest. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with another sensitive soul who needs an energetic reset today. And with that, I want to thank you for sharing your love and light with me. And I'm sending you so much love from my heart to yours. And I'll see you over in the next video. Bye.